Okay, so I was trying to explain a little bit on the right-hand rule. Remember, our index finger is going to go in the direction of either the velocity of your particle or the motion of your particle. Your middle finger is going to be the magnetic field, and your thumb is going to be the force. This can also be a current. So if our current is flowing in a particular direction, we would have it travel that way. So if I had, let's say, a current that was flowing out of the paper, so it's coming out of this toward me, I have it pointed toward me, and then I have some kind of magnetic field. So remember that we had an example of horseshoe magnets. Let's say I had a little horseshoe magnet. Let's say the current was flowing through that horseshoe magnet. Let's say the top of this was a north pole and the bottom of this was a south pole. That means my magnetic field would be moving downward because it always goes from north towards south. So I would have that particle or that current coming toward me with the magnetic field pointed down. My thumb would point in this direction. So try to show that. You can't really see my middle finger here, so that's the direction of the magnetic field, but the current is going towards me. It would cause it a force to be moving this direction. If I turned my horseshoe magnet so it was facing like this, let's say that these are still my north pole and this, my thumb, is my south pole, then now my magnetic field is moving from this direction, and let's say that the current is moving still towards me, but I have that magnetic field now moving this way, then my thumb is now pointed up, and that would be the direction of the actual current. So the best way is with this right hand rule is just to make that shape, do that shape, and do your best. Just like if I had a particle that was moving, say, in front of me and it was moving this way across the screen and the magnetic field was pointed straight down, that would cause the force on that particle to be toward me. It would suddenly come flying across. So if it came off of this side of the screen and the magnetic field was down, it would cause it to push towards me and boom, it would just run right into me. I hope that helps a little bit with right hand rule and hope you enjoyed it.